Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Have you cross-checked this data output? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting same answer?
Yes, sir.
So what was your conclusion?
Sir, there is no significant difference between effect of different level of treatment and blocks.
Okay. We are rejecting H naught. So that means that there is a, you are rejecting H naught, right? In the both the cases, because your F value will be, your F calculated value will be more than, just a minute. Your F calculated value more than F tabulated value. That means you are rejecting H naught. So rejecting H naught, that means that what? There is significant difference. Okay? So there is significant difference among the effects of different treatments. And similarly for the blocks also, this is greater than, F cal will be greater than F tab. Okay, so again you are rejecting H naught. That means there is again significant difference among the effects of different blocks. I forget to write blocks here. You can write on the blocks. This is a block. So the decision criteria will be the, so for treatment we will write on first. So for treatment, since F calculated will be greater than F tabulated, therefore we reject H naught, and I will be say that I will be simply copy this. Or I may just write down this. Like there is no significant there's significant difference between, if it's not copy paste. There is significant difference among the effects of different treatment. And similarly, you can write for the blocks also. So for the blocks, it is all common. It's not clicking here. Yeah. So for blocks also, it is going to be same. Okay. So you may take down that conclusion. So that is going to be different blocks. So and after that, they were asking about the once there is a no significant difference. Sorry, when there is significant difference, so that means now we are interested to know about which of the treatments having the actually effect. So if you just look at the problem here, they were asking to analyze the analysis of variance and also test the significant difference between the treatment D and treatment F. So between these and this. Okay. So now we are interested to check between this treatment and this treatment. Okay. So how to do that? So here we will use the critical difference method. Okay. So now let's write on after this. Compare treatment D and treatment F. So that means what we actually were testing, H naught. We are interested tau 4 is equal to tau 6 versus H1. Tau 4 is not equal to tau 6. So we will calculate T4 dot and T6 dot, which we have already calculated, which is 72 and 61, right? So once you get this, you can calculate Y4 dot, Y6 dot. What was the formula? T4 dot upon 5. Similarly here, T6 dot upon 5. So when you substitute this value, we'll get 14.4 and this one 12.2. And then you can calculate the difference. So calculate mod of Y4 dot minus Y6 dot, which turns out to be 2.2. And also you need to calculate the critical difference, which is called as CD. What is the formula? T alpha by 2 n minus T minus q plus 1 and square root of estimated error upon 2 upon q whole thing divided by, oh, nothing, there is no, because I have considered already in that case. Yeah. So this was the formula for critical difference. If you remember the notes. This is equivalent to, so you can substitute the values of alpha, which is 0.05. So this is going to be T 0.025, comma, N minus P minus Q plus 1, which is your error degree of freedom, which was, I think, this one, 24. So we can write 24 here, into, this is into square root of S square E, which is S square E. This is your S square E, 2.7452. So you can substitute 2.7454 into 2 upon Q, you know it is 5. You can substitute and get the answer for this. So I think this value turns out to be 0.064. Just use this calculator. Using the calculator, you may get this answer as 2.61. And hence, one can say that since, you can look at this value, 2.2, which is the value of your difference, will be greater than CD. But it is 2.2 and it is 2.1. So I can say that, what one decision criterion? What is my decision? Reject H naught if and only if y bar 4 dot minus y bar 6 dot greater than CD. This was my decision. This was my decision. So based on this decision, I need to be check whether this is rejected or accepted. And now I have to put conclusion. So what is my conclusion? Since y bar 4 dot minus y bar 6 dot is 2.2 will be greater than CD value, which is 2.16. Therefore, we reject H naught, and we reject H naught. That means that I will be simply say treatment D and treatment F.
हेलो सर.
Yes, बेटा बोलो.
सर T of 0.025 का वैल्यू कैसे निकाला आपने? ये 0.064.
ये टेबल से.
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ.
यूज टेबल वैल्यू ना.
यस सर, यस यस.
टी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टार्ट किया मैडम ने और नहीं?
नहीं
समथिंग
सर.
नहीं स्टार्ट किया. ओके. सो when Jaishi madam will start T distribution, na? So you will be get the values of all T, F, chi-square, everything you will get from the paper one. Okay, even you can download it from the Google, and you can get these values. So once you say it is reject test not, that means there is a significantly difference between the effects. D4 significant. Can I D4? D4 significant. So like this is the way when you compare the two treatments. Okay. So that was the part which was remaining in this case. Any question? Anyone? Any question? Anyone? So let me know. So similarly, you can finish your question number 2 in this way. So the question number 2 will be like exactly same way you have to do it. I think I have already uploaded these practicals. Already get it that? I hope everybody joined with their name, with roll number. So you can go with the next example. Take down this example, question example number 2. Are you able to see example number 2 here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can start working on it. So you can just finish this and let me take a screenshot of today's. So you can again you can start with the you can find out the like how many P are there, how many Q are there, and then total of all treatments, total of all blocks. Okay, this is all treatment totals. This is all block totals. Okay, see sometime in some of the books they have written B. B means block total. Okay. So either you can write here treatment total, here write block total. Okay. That will be like better. Or we have used like dots here. This is one dot means treatment ka total kar rahe. Dot one means block ka total kar rahe. Like that you can. So exactly same way you can proceed it. Okay, so I'm just showing the this values. You can just finish it this by the time I'll take attendance.
Sir, blocks का 0.0426.
Correct.
Sum of total equal to 0.976.
Absolutely right. So solving everything and using that all formulas, you can able to create a tables. Okay, so I will just going to create this table once again. Just copy this table. So this is going to be same, right? Whole other things you can work out. I will simply just paste this table here. You can verify the answer. So So I feel this is P minus 1, Q minus 1 total this would be changed. So this would be P minus 1. So 3 minus 1, which is 2. This is 4. So total is 15. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 minus 6. How much it is? 8. Right? 14 minus 6 become 8. It's going to be 8. And treatment sum of square, you have a 0.796 and 0.0426, and total is 0.976. So if you subtract this minus both of this, you will be get this one 0. Just check if this is right or wrong.
1374.
Yeah, 1374. So once you dis upon this, like SS upon degree of freedom, you'll be get a small S square treatment, which is simply 0.398. Similarly, S square up block, which is 0.01065, and this one S square error, which is 0.01717. And here, if you just calculate this upon error, you'll be get 23.1799, 0.6202. This will be the 4.46, 3.84. This is 2 comma 8. This is 4 comma 8. I hope everybody getting this answer. Those are doing calculations, they must get this answer only. And if you are not getting these answers, then let me know, like where you are doing the mistake. So again, you need to follow the same rule, same concepts, like this one. Like for treatment, for sorry. So what is your conclusion about this? So if you just look at the conclusion, for treatment, we found that FCal will be greater than FTAP, right? So this is correct. There is no significant difference between the effect of different treatments. Okay. So that is you can called basically methods. In bracket you can call methods, right? Because we are comparing the different methods. So this would be your methods. because actually we should not call treatment, we should call methods, because we have different methods and different analysis. So, but here in this case, it is reverse, okay, because F cal will be less than F tab. So we do not reject H. We do not reject H. That means there is insignificant difference between, there is insignificant difference between or among the effects of different blocks. In bracket, I will write down the analysis. Just it's hanged. I'm just So we can write down the conclusion about analyst and about methods. So any question regarding this? Anyone who joined late or didn't understand anything? So there may be some type of problem can be expected. Okay? Where you will be asked like